Problem statement. On the base BC of an isosceles triangle ABC, we take a point D. The segment AD divides the angle A of the triangle ABC into two angles, where one is 3 times the size of the other, such that the angle BAD equals x and the angle DAC equals 3x. If, additionally, the angle ADC equals 2x plus 15 degrees, find the value of x. Since the triangle ABC is isosceles with base BC, we can set the angles B and C equal to alpha. We also set the angle BDA equal to y. What do we notice? The angle ADC is an exterior angle of the triangle ABD. According to the exterior angle theorem of a triangle, it must be equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles of the triangle. This consequently gives us the equation 2x plus 15 equals a plus x. Following a similar logic, we notice that the angle BDA is an exterior angle of the triangle ADC. So the resulting equation is y equals 3x plus a. Before we proceed to simplify equations 1 and 2, we notice that by adding the corresponding sides of the equations, the sum of the angles on the left side equals a straight angle. Therefore, this addition gives us a simplified equation, which is 180 equals 4x plus 2a, which means 2x plus a equals 90. We focus on the triangle ADC now. The sum of its angles must equal 180 degrees. Therefore, we get that 3x plus 2x plus 15 plus a equals 180. But we know that 2x plus a equals 90. So the equation simplifies even further and gives 3x plus 90 plus 15 equals 180, from which it easily follows that x equals 25 degrees.